It's been over a year. And finally आज मैं इस साल की पहली रोड ट्रिप पे जा रही हूँ. My first road trip of 2020. This year has been challenging for all of us. And this year has been an emotional wreck for me. But I guess this trip made me feel that perhaps things are getting back to normal. Perhaps everything will be fine sooner or later. And I'm glad that I could do it. तो जब मेरे भाई ने मुझसे पूछा, मैं जागेश्वर जा रहा हूँ, तुम चलोगी क्या? I didn't take 2 seconds to decide and I said, हाँ, I'll come. तो बस सुबह सुबह 5 बजे हम लोग निकल गए. और जब 1 घंटे बाद आँख खुली तो सूरज उग रहा था और मैं एक नीले आसमान और घने जंगलों के बीच से गुजर रही थी. बस ऐसे ही आग झपकते हुए और नज़ारे एंजॉय करते हुए कुछ ही घंटों में हम नैनीताल पहुंचे और वहाँ लिया फटाफट एक चाय का ब्रेक. पर हमारा मेन डेस्टिनेशन तो जागेश्वर है और नैनीताल में हमने जल्दी से पी चाय और आगे की जर्नी के लिए निकल गए. जागेश्वर धाम अल्मोड़ा से कुछ 30-35 किलोमीटर आगे कुमाऊं का एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट धार्मिक स्थल है और मेरा भाई वहाँ जाता है मंदिरों के दर्शन करने और मैं गई थी वादियों के दर्शन करने.
So for those of you who are wondering, do you need any paperwork to travel in Uttarakhand? Yes, you need to register yourself and there is a detailed form. So that form we filled, we got a registration number and nobody really checked it on the way, but they can do it anytime while you stay in Uttarakhand and while you get back to your home state. So that is what you require. So ideally I will suggest you to check the latest guidelines which the state of Uttarakhand has for all the tourists, but otherwise the tourist count in Uttarakhand is definitely lesser than the usual, but there are a lot of tourists, and in the smaller towns people are not wearing masks. That is what we noticed on the way to Jageshwar, but otherwise in main towns and tourist destinations like Nainital, Almora, people were quite conscious in wearing masks. So it was my brother who was traveling to Jageshwar because he's a believer, and I could not help piggyback him and join him in his weekend trip because I've been wanting to travel and ek saal se upar ho gaya that I've gotten out of my own city. So yes, here I am in this beautiful green surrounding. Abhi hum log ja rahe hain Binsar Zero Point, where we are going to get some beautiful views of the valley around, and on the way we have stopped at a temple which my brother is visiting and I'm out here shooting.
अगर आप अल्मोड़ा आ ही रहे हैं तो जागेश्वर भी ज़रूर जाइएगा, और अगर जागेश्वर गए हैं तो ब्रिज जागेश्वर, कसार देवी, क्रैंक्स रिज और बिनसर ज़ीरो पॉइंट भी ज़रूर जाइएगा. और हमने भी कोशिश की बिनसर ज़ीरो पॉइंट के नज़ारे एंजॉय करने के, बट
Hey guys, so the Binsar Zero Point, which is inside the Binsar Sanctuary, was shut We reached at 4:30. It shuts at 4 o'clock. Hence, we have come to a cafe in Binsar for catching a beautiful sunset. So let's go.
Gaurav ji, you know her.
Hi Gaurav. I don't know if you guys can see, but I can clearly see the Shivalik range. Step farming.
So guys, with this I end day 1 of the mountains. अगले व्लॉग में एक नया दिन शुरू करेंगे. कोशिश करेंगे एक उगते हुए सूरज को चेस करने की. And I hope to see you back next week for my next vlog. Do not forget to share, like and subscribe if you liked the content here.